Hi, I am Gayatri and welcome to my channel Super Easy Learning. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Let's start the video. In today's video, I am going to explain about Indian system and international system. We have two number systems to read and write large numbers. They are, first one is Indian system and second one is international system. Indian system is also called as Hindu-Arabic system. In both systems we have place value charts, and this chart is divided into groups. Those groups are called periods. The different periods are ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, millions, etc. Let me explain about Indian system. See here. This is the place value chart of Indian number system. Here ones, tens, hundreds belongs to one group, and that group is called ones period. Next, thousands, 10,000s belongs to thousands period. This is one group, and lakhs, 10 lakhs belongs to lakhs period. Crores, 10 crores belongs to crores period. So, four groups are there. We put comma after each period to separate periods. While writing and reading, we use these commas to separate the periods. With this comma, we can easily read and write large numbers. While inserting commas, we should start from right to left. This is the rule we have to follow. Next. Okay, take this example. Place commas and write number names according to Indian number system. Here I will show you how to place commas in this number. See, 4, 3, 8 are placed in their respective places. 3, 2 are placed in their respective places. So, ones period and thousands period should be separated by using comma. So, how we have to insert the comma between ones period and thousand period? After 4, 3, 8 digits, we have to insert the comma here. See, this is the way to insert comma. Next, how to write number name? See here, thousands period. How to read this one? 23,000. We have to read together. This period in 10,000s place, thousands place, we have to read together. 23,000. Next come ones period. How to read this period? 834. Totally the number name is 23,834. See, follow these rules. Place commas from right to left. While inserting, we have to start from here, from ones place. Ones place. What is the ones period? Ones, tens, hundreds. After this, we have to place a comma. This period, this ones period and thousands period should be separated by comma. while reading the numeral from left to right, read the numeral from left to right, means 23,834. In this way you have to read the number. This is the number name. This is the second example. Let me explain how to insert commas. See here, these digits are placed in their respective places. So now how to insert commas. See this ones period. What are the digits in ones period? 5, 4, 1. After hundreds period you have to after hundreds place you have to place a comma. Place comma after 3 digits. Now thousands period. What are the digits in the thousands period? 6 and 5. Place after 2 digits. Okay. Next, lakhs. What are the digits in lakhs period? 9 and 8. After 8 place a comma. So after ones period, after thousands period, after lakhs period, we have inserted commas. This is the way to insert commas. Always follow the rule. While inserting, you have to start from right hand side. Next, how to read this number. See, crores and 10 crores. We have to together read because these two places are belongs to one group. Lakhs and 10 lakhs belongs to one group. That's why we have to read together. 71 crore, 89 lakh, 65,000, 145. This is the way to write the number names. So here the number name of this numeral is 71 crore, 89 lakh, 65,000, 145. Don't use and here. Okay, this is the last example. Tell me how to insert commas in this number. First, what to do? We have to place these values in their respective places. See, 165. 1 is placed under hundreds place, 6 is placed under tens place, 5 is placed under ones place. Now these numbers you know very well how to place. Now tell me how to insert commas in this number. First, after first 3 digits we have to place a comma. Right? After first 3 digits. After that, after 2 digits. After that, after 2 digits. Am I right? Next, how to read this number? While reading, you have to start from left. Here 10 crores, there is no digit in 10 crores. In 10 crores place there is no digit. In crores place there is 9. So 9 crore. In 10 lakhs there is 0. In lakhs period there is 2. So 2 lakh. 47,000. 165. The number name is 9 crore 2,47,165. This is the common mistake done by the students regularly. While writing the number names, usually they add S to crore, S to lakh, S to thousand. Don't write like this. 9 crores 2 lakhs 47,165 is wrong. This is right one. Please be careful while writing the number names. And this is the exercise for your practice. Please do it and ask me if you have any doubts. Next one is International Number System. This is the place value chart of International Number System. Here the different places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Here ones, tens, hundreds belongs to one group. That group is called ones period. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s belongs to one group and that group is called thousands period. And millions, 10 millions, 100 millions belongs to one group. That group is called millions period. Here also we follow the same rules that we have followed in Indian number system. Same, we put comma after each period to separate periods. With this comma we can easily read and write large numbers. While inserting commas we should start from right to left. Here I am going to explain how to place commas and write number names according to International Number System. See this number. First let us place these digits in their respective places. See, 5 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. Next again 5 is in thousands place, 6 is in 10,000s place, 9 is in 100,000s place, 8 is in millions place, 1 is in 10 millions place, 7 is in 100 millions place. So how to insert commas? See, after 3 places we have to insert the comma. It's very easy to insert commas here. See, every period has 3 places. So after every 3 places you place comma. It's very easy. Let me show you. After ones period, after thousand period. See, it's very easy, right? Next, how to write number names. See, how to read this one? 718 million. Here 965,000, because this is millions place, this is thousands place. Thousands period, because this is millions period, this is thousands period. And last one is 145. Like this we have to write the number names. See, add all of these and you will get the right number name of this numeral. 718 million, 965,145. Got it? See one more example. How to place commas here? First, place these digits in their respective places. 5 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place, 7 is in thousands place, 4 is in 10,000s, 2 is in hundred thousands, 0 is in millions place, 9 is in 10 millions place. So how to insert commas? I told you, after every 3 digits you place comma. Blindly you can do that. Right? Next, how to write number names? See, here in millions place there is 0. So write 90 million. 90. How we read it as? We read it as 90 million 247,165. So the final number name is 90,247,165. This is also a common mistake done by the students regularly. What is the difference between two number names? See, 90 million, but mistake is 90 millions. This is not correct. Right? 90 millions. 247,000. 247,000. Thousands is wrong. 1000 is correct. If you do this, you will lose marks. Okay? Don't do this mistake. Remember this point. Don't add s to millions, thousands, hundreds, crores, like that. So this is the exercise for you. Please place commas according to International Number System. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share the video to your friends and subscribe for more videos.